Losing weight is probably one of the things most Americans are concerned with. The obesity epidemic is rampant and can cause a lot of people to have many health issues and other difficulties. The weight loss has become more and more important, not just as a beauty standard or trend, but because it can be so dangerous to live your life on processed foods. Processed foods are probably one of the leading killers of people who suffer from obesity in North America. There are so many dangers to processed foods. For example, they are full of hidden fats and sugars. The ingredients in processed foods are highly unnatural. They can contribute to several health problems, including hypertension and diabetes. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you're going to find out how to have consistent effort that makes it possible to actually lose weight and stay on the proper diet plan. You will ultimately find why you are sluggish and weak and have a difficult time concentrating. You will learn how to begin to lose weight and provide yourself with the sustenance that you need to thrive. You will ultimately find that you are taking the steps that need to be taken in order to develop a healthy lifestyle that will provide you with the energy you need in order to continue to burn calories and make weight loss a success. You are going to find all the information that you need in order to begin changing your life starting right now. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the Foolproof Diet, a step-by-step guide to lose weight and keep it off starting now. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Tracking your current diet, starting a food journal, getting rid of problem foods, slow and steady wins a race, combining exercise for best results, creating a calorie deficit for weight loss, introducing fruits and vegetables for weight loss, the importance of drinking water for weight loss, lean meats and healthy protein sources, planning meals and other tips and tricks, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually lose weight and keep it off starting now. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You gain weight very easily. You have health issues and other difficulties due to obesity. It is very difficult for you to get rid of the extra weight once it's there. You want to burn calories and make weight loss a success. You want to lose weight and keep it off starting now. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops, but you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, the Foolproof Diet Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, the Foolproof Diet Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, the Foolproof Diet Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to lose weight, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you lose weight and keep it off starting now. I'll see you on the inside.